What's up, y'all? Start off the vlog in the car, headed to Randy's house right now, because today is my dog's birthday. So I'm gonna go see my dog. And we're gonna go to the mall so I can get him his gift. I think he wants some shoes, so if I can get the Air Max that we were looking at a couple weeks ago. And see what happens for the rest of the day, I guess. So let's get to Randy's safe and sound and then see where we go from there. Aside from going to the mall. So, met up with Randy and the squad at John Cena's house. I get half of the go-kart. I guess Randy about to ride the go-kart. What the hell is this, Randy? What kind of contraction you...
Front end of this go-kart, light as
Dog, it look kind of cool, but it looks kind of bunk.
If it shuts off, I can hop out and start it back up.
Is the chain supposed to not be moving?
Nah, yeah, it's not supposed to be moving.
Oh, alright, I don't know shit about go-kart. Yo, look at the wheel! Oh, I can't focus it. No!
As soon as I seen that bolt on the floor, bruh, I came straight back to the house. Fuck that, I'm not riding it no more.
Yo, that wheel gonna fly off, yo!
It's all over, bro.
Don't die, bro.
Hey, bro, I got you, bro.
What are you doing today? Yo, what else? You going?
Yeah, I gotta take a shower.
Hurry up, go.
Turn this off.
Turn this shit, nigga.
You turn, it's hard to Look at the wheel. Go slow, bruh.
Oh, shit!
Why are you scraping for y'all? Percy, you going all over the place.
You need to fix it.
You don't got brakes.
Don't. You come off the gas.
This is how I just stopped it.
Oh, you big as shit.
I put my
Yo, look at the wheel. Look at the wheel. Do a pull, do a pull. Raymond's so big that... Dang! Okay, Raven. That boy Robert showed up. Look at the difference. That's how my paint used to look. Because we had the same paint job from the same place. It's like bluish green, and then this is mine, like green. That's crazy, yo. That's insane. Y'all like the white banner or the black one? Which one you guys like better? The white one or the black? So we're all in the mall, getting ready some shoes for his birthday. Cause that's high. I'm my dog. So you like Converse or like Skechers and shit? Hey, bro, Skechers. Oh, you like Pumas? I love Pumas, bro. That boy clean. Wow. Randy getting spiffy.
Y'all doing photos?
Nah, this is for my vlog.
Oh, 105.99. Card.
Hey, dog. Okay, I'm making bad decisions out here. And Anissa's helping me do it. And Jacinia's helping me do it too. We're all making bad decisions out here. I don't like you guys.
This boy look good.
Oh, it's a happy birthday to you. Bro, I got the best balloons they offer, boy. Mom, this is for you. Hold on. Ta-da. Hold that for me. Yeah. It's a girl. Hey, we out here. Hey, today's your day, fam. You gotta be mad festive, bro. Mad festive.
Percy bought this for me.
Percy? Yeah. Reach.
You just drink. You're fully. Watch out, you drink.
You got too much ice in there. Nope, no, don't stop. Don't. You didn't even take it.
Ah.
Come on, bro. Don't do nothing.
Watch out, you finish it.
Come on, bro. You gotta check the whole bag.
Come on, man.
Come on, man. You better drink.
Come on, man. Don't be a girl, man. Come on.
Huh? You. Come on, man.
Let's go.
Yeah, tell him. Come on.
Let's go.
Man, that little ass thing.
I finish it.
Come on, bro. Come on. Come on.
Bro.
Like it.
I ain't getting no damn Corona. That shit nasty.
Drink.
Chug it. Chug it like
Be like
Yeah.
a leader, man.
Yeah, you weak ass.
More Go again. More.
You still got more to go, bro. Come on. You're not done.
More.
What? Yeah, they're bad influences. Yeah, because y'all didn't bring no sugar.
You want on tomorrow morning, I'm going to have to get pink clip. Get that trying to get bigger, bro.
That shit better than blacked out.
That shit gonna be white.
Boy, if you don't drink this and make your lip turn wrong, they will laugh at you tomorrow, say it's a girl.
They gonna roast my ass.
Drink it. Come on, bro.
I can't, dog.
Dog, you sip that. That's a sip.
That's a lie.
You only suck the ice.
Yeah, that's
He
it.
suck the ice. He suck the ice.
Suck me ice.
He suck the ice.
I suck all the ice.
He sound like he drunk already.
Randy, you alright, bro?
Yeah. My hands are clean.
I don't know, bro.
Randy's like done. Y'all out?
He's over here hustling.
Why y'all leaving for? It's only like 12 o'clock.
That's ass.
It's 12 o'clock, man.
Oh, we're bitches? Well, we ain't throwing up in the bathroom right now.
I don't give a fuck.
Yeah, that's just the goal.
Yeah, Randy's like messed up. I don't think people ever seen Randy drunk. I never seen you throw up drunk. That's crazy.
I was even throwing up.
That was New Year's when you got me drunk. You lying? It's dope on the toilet? Nah, I'm gonna get demonetized, bro. Hell no, I ain't. So it's the next day. We eating breakfast brunch with the fam. Randy, Ryan, everybody. I got the styrofoam.
2 cups. Toast up with the game. Gang.
Hi, my name is Jigaboo Jackson. And are you one of many Americans out there that can't see the road at night, have trouble with your high beams while they're already on? Huh. I used to have that problem until I upgraded to SMIOP LED light kit. That was good, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, cool.
Good.
Yeah, that was nice.
Okay, it's hot in this damn car.
Alright, come on, let's get out. I look like Fabulous in Chris Brown's body, huh? Mm-hmm. What's up, y'all? So I tried to do this little skit thing with my mom about this new partnership that I landed with this Headlight company. I'm gonna start the first of many videos of modding my mom's 2013 Nissan Altima. And I have this LED kit that they sent me to do a video on, and I was like, yo, why not try to include my mom in it? So I tried to make a skit with her, but it didn't, you know, this lady's too funny. So today's video, we will be installing the SMIOP LED H11 headlight kit, son. Her current headlights are going, they're like dimming out. So I'm glad this company reached out to me and wanted to, like, you know, hook my mom up with some headlights. So hey, bro, count your blessings, fam, count your blessings. So the first thing we have to do in order to install the new LEDs, we have to jack up the car, remove the wheel, and then remove the fender liner, wheel well, stuff like that. New cars are a pain in the So in order to access the headlights itself, you have to remove this panel right here. You have 1 screw here, 2 screw here, 3 screw here, and that's it. For screws like this, which I think are trash, you want to get like a flathead, pop it up, pry it out basically, and have the disconnect from the bigger one around here, have this disconnect, and then you should just be able to pull it out. So once you pop out the 4 screws, you'll be exposed to your headlight right there. And all I gotta do is twist it out, put the new one in. That's pretty much it. So twist that way. Pull out. Remember, guys, pull out, okay? Pull out. Here exposed is the low beam, which we will be fixing to make it brighter. You know how I'm saying? You just know how I'm saying. So here we have SMIOP headlight kit right here. Let's see if I can get one-handed. There we go. Boom, you open your package, you got the instructions, and they give you that cool little Allen wrench key, I guess, to help install something, but I doubt we're gonna use it. But here we have the bad boys of the bad boy right here, fam. And voila, boys. Why to the la. Pretty simple install. I just hate how you have to remove all of this stuff just so you can replace your headlight bulb. That is insane. And just like that, it's in. It's pretty straightforward and pretty simple, but hey man, thought I should film in case any of you guys out there with moms with 2013 Altimas and you want to get her some headlights or something. This is what you gotta do, man. This is all that you gotta do. Ain't nothing much to it. So let's do the other side and test these bad boys out and see what's popping. Headlight number 2 is in. Let's see the final product, boys. So the headlights are done. Well, the bulbs are done. My mom's gonna see if I messed up her car. All you gotta do is turn them on. Turn them on. Woo, you got headlights. Look at that, driving the garage. Yeah, they're pretty bright. That's what's up. They're pretty bright. We have some blue LEDs now. Thank you to SM Auto P.
Oh, that is nice.
Yeah.
Okay. Blue.
Now before we dive for carbon monoxide, you might want to, once it get a little darker, I'll give you guys a better representation of how bright the lights are actually. What am I saying? Fast forward a couple hours later, it is now nighttime, and I'm gonna drive my mom's car around the block to show you guys the goodness of the lights. Let's see if these SMA Auto P headlights is the truth. We about to find out, boys. That's not that bad, it's pretty bright. Look at that, it overshadows her high beams now. That's awesome. Okay, SMA Auto P, I see you pimping. Oh, I see you, cuz. So this is how they look from the outside. Not that bad, pretty bright. Pretty bright. I like it, dog. That is clear. Yo, what's up, y'all? So you guys reached the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the previous vlog footage of Rainey's birthday and this video of my mom's first modification, bro. And yes, it's a mod because I modified something that wasn't there to begin with. Well, kind of, you know, I thought I'd do it. But huge thanks to SM Auto P for sponsoring this video and sending my mom out some dope headlights. We appreciate it. And also, since you guys are watching the video and you made it this far, then hey, how about I hook you guys up with some headlights? How about 5 of you guys, you know what I'm saying? All you gotta do really is follow SM Auto P on Instagram, like their Facebook fan page, and all you have to do is comment on their latest post saying your car model, and that's it. And we're gonna choose 5 winners. That's all. You don't even have to follow. You don't even have to follow your boy on Instagram. Oh, and also, if you're not a fan of giveaways and you just want to order some headlights yourself, then there's a coupon code down below. All you have to do is click the first link and the discount code is already applied. So act fast because it is a Easter type thing. And also, happy Easter, guys. I know this video is late anyway, but hey, if you're watching this and it's Easter where you live, happy Easter, fam. But that's gonna wrap up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did enjoy the video, could you please, you know what I'm saying, hit that post notification. Nah, I'm just playing. I don't gotta do that. Just smack that like button for you, but that'd be greatly appreciated. And I will catch you guys in the next one with regular content from your homeboy Zosh. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.